pretty much it starts with a backpack. So this is my favorite backpack. It's a Osprey Raptor 14. It actually holds everything I need. It's enough space for the whole day ride. In my opinion, the backpack should be about from minimum 10 liters to about 20 liters. Depends what you do, if you go just for daily rides or you do a multi-day tours. Let's start with the bottom. I can open it and I have a tool pouch. So pretty much in here I have tools. In here I have a spare inner tube. It's very important that you carry a spare inner tube which is with appropriate valve. So in my case that's a Presto valve, but my opinion, always carry a Presto valve, not the shredder valve, because the shredder valves are too big. The automotive valves are not good. So this fits in any hole, the small ones and the big ones, right? So carry one of these. It could be 27.5. It pretty much fits in all diameters of tire. I have tire levers. These are for KMC, and these are special ones to open my quick click on the chain as well. Very good stuff. Next thing, it's my box with a repair kit for the tubeless tires, right? And one set of spare pads, brake pads. Patch kits, very nice, from Peak. It's actually a rescue box. It holds the glueless patches. And then also, that I don't forget, it's a mini tool. It's very important that the mini tool contains the tool for the chain repair. So if you have a broken chain, you can repair it with this one. It's very handy, small one. I like this compartment on my backpack because it's down on the bottom and it rolls out a little bit. It rolls out completely, so everything is accessible, and even if I have my backpack on the ground, it's nice and clear. I can wash it, I can remove it, and I can easily store it back. Let's go into the small pocket. In here, very important, phone for emergency calls if something happens. My ID and my emergency card for the ER if something happened. My rain cover. In the small compartment I have a torch, a small torch. Helped me in numerous times already. Thank God for this one. All right. Then in the main compartment I have a pump. I decided for the two-peak pump because for this one, for the shock and roll, because it's one pump for both, for the tires and for the shock. So, and for the suspension. So it's actually a shock pump and the tire pump from Two-Peak. And last but not least, very important, first aid kit. It contains everything to help myself if I'm still in one piece, or very important to the others, to my friends I ride with. Quite important thing, this contains a water bladder. In my opinion, very important to have a water bladder which is big. So go with a 2.5 or 3 liters because it's pretty simple. In 3 liter water bladder you can put 1 liter of water. Other way around it doesn't work. Like in 1 liter there's no way that you're gonna put 3 liters. So that's it. It compressed pretty nice. It doesn't flap around. That's it. That's my go everywhere small backpack, Raptor 14 from Osprey. This is my personal backpack, but it's very important to tell you that when we go for guided tours, the backpacks are way bigger, like 20 liters, because when we're guiding we actually carry more stuff and we try to be even more on the safe side.